Now we will see some more example of les articles definite articles in French. So definite articles in French, when we talk about something specific or already known, and we place before noun. And in French, every noun has gender, masculine, feminine, and we place the articles according to gender and numbers. So let's see some more examples. And there are 4 types of definite articles. Le, it is used for masculine singular. La is used for feminine singular. Les, les is used for plural. L apostrophe is used for before when the word start with vowel, or where word start with H and H is silent, then we will put L apostrophe. So let's see some more examples. Livre, livre means book, the book. Livre is masculine. In French, book, livre is masculine and singular, one book. So what we put? Le. For masculine singular, we will put le. Le livre. Next, stylo. Stylo means pen, and stylo is also masculine singular. Masculine singular. Then we will put le stylo, the pen. Next, soleil. Soleil means sun, the sun. And what we will put? Soleil is also masculine singular. Then we will use le soleil, the sun. Next, maison. Maison is feminine. Then we will put what? La maison. In French, always la maison, in maison. Maison is always feminine. Here, table, the table, means la table. Pourquoi c'est la table? Parce que ça c'est féminin, féminine singulier, feminine singular. Here, voiture. Voiture is feminine. So we will put what? We will put what? La voiture. La voiture means the car. Ami. Ami means friend. In ami, English meaning is friend. The word start with vowel. A, E, I, O, U. So here A. Then what we will put? L apostrophe. When the word starts with vowel, we will put L apostrophe. Whether it is masculine or feminine, we will put L apostrophe. Next, orange. Orange means orange, the orange. And here also the word start with vowel, so we will put l'orange. Hotel. Hotel means the hotel. And here the word start with H, and here H is silent. Hotel. Hotel. So what we will put? L apostrophe, and we will say l'hôtel. Ensemble, together, l'hôtel. Next we will see some more example of plural. Livre. Livre means the books. It is plural. Then what we will put? Les livres. Les livres, because livre is plural, whether it is masculine or feminine. Next, fille. Fille, here we can say S, there is S, means it is plural. Now we will put les filles. Les filles. Les filles, the girls. Here we can see also S, crayons. So what we will put? La. Yes, les crayons. Les crayons. Si vous voulez encore des vidéos comme ça, abonnez-vous sur ma chaîne à Coucou French Corner. Please like, share and comments. Au revoir, à bientôt.